Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download Canon G2010 printer driver in Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to just open our browser. So you can use any browser right here, and then on the search bar, just search for Canon G2010 driver download, and then click on enter. And then after that, just click the first link that will pop up in your screen. So just click on that. And then as you can see, we have here the G2010 driver. So what we're going to do right here is to just click on download. And then let's wait for this to finish. And then after that, we're going to click on show in folder. And then we're going to drag this into our desktop. Once you drag it, if you go back into this part, you will see it right here. So we're going to double click on that. After that, we're going to click on start setup, which is right here. And then click on next. And then let's wait for this to finish. After that, in this part, we're just going to click on yes, and then click on agree. And then after that, we're going to wait for this to be finished. And then after that, you should be able to see this file right here. So we're going to double click on this. And then once you see the file right there, we're now going to go here on the search bar and then search for printers. And then click on open. And then in this part, we're going to click on add device. And then after that, just click on add a new device. And then click on local printer, and then click on next. After that, for the existing port, we're going to choose USB port. However, as you can see, in my case, I don't have any USB port, but if you do, make sure that you choose that. So I'm just going to choose here null, and then click on next. After that, just choose the manufacturer right here, which is Canon, and then we're going to click on have disk, and then we're going to click on browse, and then go here on the desktop, and then click on the file, and then click on driver, and then just choose the file that you want to use. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this one right here. So we're going to double click on that, and then we're going to click on OK. After that, just click on next again. And then in this part, you will now be able to see the printer name. So we're going to click on next again, and then it will now be installed in your PC. After that, just click do not share, click on next, and then click on finish. After that, you should now be able to see the Canon G2010 series. So that is basically it.